Hello everyone, thanks for joining me on my channel. Is it me or have you noticed that the price of synthetic wigs has kind of gone up? Used to be I could get a really nice synthetic wig in about the $30-ish range. Now you're seeing them go like well into the 40s and even into the 50s. Now, in fairness to a lot of these wig companies, they are coming out with some really fantastic breakthroughs in the technology of the wigs, the lace specifically, as well as the cap construction. So I guess I can understand that there are some new things coming out. I like to watch my pennies. Where I can understand the new technology, price is still a consideration. But I will admit, some of the newer styles are simply beautiful. Case in point, wigs from Sensationnel's new Bare Lace collection. The box says that the lace is so thin it looks like skin. New Bare Lace collection, you're looking at the Bare Luxe lace. So here's the transparent lace, the HD lace that we have all loved for so long. But now look at this, your Bare Luxe lace. Now, how is it so different? Here is a comparison of HD lace, and here's the mesh pattern on the Bare Luxe lace. With the Bare Luxe lace, it has a 20% larger grid pattern, 40% thinner lace. It shows more skin and also dissipates light, so you're getting a more matte finish that looks more natural. And if you think that these changes are really compromising the strength and the integrity of the lace, they assure you that this product here is stronger, reinforced tear-resistant lace fiber. And here's a look-see at the Bare Luxe lace hairline. And today's unit will be a 13x6. Now this style, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get her on. She is simply stunning, either way you go. And she has the side part, but you can definitely convert that. And this thing behind the ear, I love doing that to my hair. And just that gorgeous swoop over on the other side. Things I'm also noticing with these newer wigs, you're getting different packaging now. So the Bare Lace comes in a very nice box, I have to say. I don't know why I'm into boxes, but this is kind of stylish. And of course, always great for organizing. We really appreciate that. Sensational, thank you so much. When you open this guy up, it just comes to you looking like that. Money. I really appreciate little touches like that. Before I get started, because I always get so excited when it comes to a new unit, let me show you some of the fashion colors that she comes in. Simply beautiful. I just picked her up in 1B. I wanted to play it safe. And we can see that beautiful tapering in the back. Here is that plucked hairline. And just look at how transparent that lace is, guys. You can even see the detail on my hand. Wow. Now we have the strap here because this is on the box. It says it is a glueless design. Use my Kafune lace melt mousse in caramel for color, just to add a little darkness to this. And we'll be back. I went on ahead and cut the lace after I tinted it. getting a really good blending here. It looks fantastic. But I'm having a little bit of an issue right there. So we're going to go ahead and use the Kafune Lace Melt. Want this to lay down flat. It's part of the appeal of this style to me. So we're going to use the bed head, hard head, extreme hold. Final thoughts. The style is absolutely adorable. I really love this whole asymmetry to this, and I love the way I could just pull it behind my ears and it just looks fantastic. The hairline really did work out, especially up in this area here. Really like the way it works. The lace does look very, very natural. Really kind of blends in very well. The only problem I had with the lace was I didn't feel like it melted very well into my skin. I really had a little bit of a job getting it to really lay flat and do what it needed to do. So that could be me. That could just be an issue I have. But again, it looks fantastic. I love the natural quality of it. It's just at the very edges of the lace, I had a little hard time blending and melting into my skin. Very casual look as well. And whatever side you look at, it's just a plus. So cute. And so I would love to hear what you have to say, especially if you have tried the Bare Lace collection. Drop us a line and let us know. If you haven't already, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. And I think she is a beautiful summer wear wig. What do you think? Please thumbs me up if you can and share this video. I'd really appreciate it. And guys, join me on my other YouTube channel, Bargain Counter Beauty, where we look at beauty from a bargain counter perspective. And I hope you enjoy my recommendations and my demos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Take care, and we'll see you next time.